Video, I'm showing you how I loosened a flare nut when replacing brake lines on an F150 year 2003. The problem with these brake lines is these flare nuts get really tight inside the cab. You can see where you need to be by that wrench. And what they tell you to do is buy a flare nut wrench. By the time I figured out that you should have a flare nut wrench, I'd buggered up the nuts so much I couldn't get the flare nut wrench on. I spent $15, $17 on a set of these and never could get the thing to go on because it was so rounded. So what I did in the simple fix, what I should have done to start with instead of screwing with it for hours, is just cut the line and then put a socket over the top. You don't have a lot of room here because there's so many other pipes in there, but you put the socket over the top and give it a pull. I had heated it, I had put oil or penetrating oil on, it wouldn't come loose, so I finally took a 3/4 inch pipe, put on top of that, because I only had about 1/8 of a turn I could make before I had to ratchet back, and it snapped loose first time with this socket. And when it snapped, it was like breaking a twig or breaking a piece of wood, and then it came off with my fingers. So it was just really tight. And I read about this. People have this problem over and over again, but the simple solution is to cut the line, put a socket on it, and ratchet it once with a breaker bar. That's my solution for the flare nuts.